Okay. Under controller folder, copy controller, category controller, Control C, then Control V to paste. Rename it to brand controller. B is small letter and controller C is capital letter. Here is some update. Category to brand and brands to categories to brands. Get categories to get brands. Categories to brands. Await category to get a brand dot find categories to brands. Get category details to get brand details. Category to brand const brand equal to await category to brand dot find by id request dot params dot id. If not brand, return next new error handler brand is not found. Success true, then brand. After it, exports dot update category, rename it update brand. Category to brand, let brand equal to await brand. If not brand, return next new error handler brand not found. Category to brand, await brand dot find by id and update. Okay. Brand, sorry, brand. Brand. Delete category, rename it delete brand. Category to brand. Category to brand category to brand. Here is brand. Brand and okay. I think we have to edit some status code. Add brand, it's 201, but get brands, it will be 200. Then get brand details, it will be 200. Update brand, what is the status code? It will be 201. Delete, it's 200. Save the file, go to category controller, we have to edit it also. Add category 201, okay. Then get categories, it will be 200. Then category details, it will be 200. Update 201, it will be 200. Save the file, control backtick, then run the server. Okay, close category controller. We need another routes for brands. So under routes folder, select category route, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Rename it brand route. Okay. I have to remove this line. It will be categories to brands. Add category to add brands. It will automatic imported. If it not imported you, then please type this line. Okay. Then get categories to get brands. It will get imported. So here brands, get category details to get brand details. Update category to update brand. Delete category to delete brand. Okay, all the function imported. Save the file. Open app.js. Now we have to import this route. const brand equal to require routes slash brand route. Copy app.use this line, paste under it, edit category to brand, save it. See the terminal, there is no problem. So let's go to Postman. We have to add new. So edit the path. Let me zoom it. Delete category, then brands. It will be post, body, title, test, test, test. Okay. Send the request. Success false. Brand validation failed. Update by and added by. Okay. Open VS Code. Close app. Category route. Brand route. Open brand models. Under model folder. Here remove this required and this required and comment it. We don't need it now. Just save the file. Okay, go to Postman. Send another request. It's successfully inserted. Let's see the full details. Brands slash then ID. It will be get. Okay, there is only one. Remove ID. Then it will show all the brands. So far there is only one brand. Next, update. It will be put method test to test 1. Test. So send another request. Okay, it test to test 1. Let's see delete request. It's true. So no more brands. Okay, all our function working for brands controller. Close brand model, brand controller. Stop the server. Okay. Next, we have to create our user controller, because always we have to skip these two properties because we don't have any user. To fulfill this property, we need first user controller and some user value. So we will be create user controller next. It is the most complicated and complex part of this project. So I think it needs some more time and concentration. Okay.